Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me and I got my Boxycharm in the mail today. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $25 a month beauty subscription that I'm thinking about canceling. I always do this. I always be like, yo, I think I'm about to cancel this. But it just hasn't been going well for me. Did you guys see the base box choices? Okay, I understand premium getting a lot of love because it's Anastasia Beverly Hills collab and everything else. They have one of the palettes that I actually always wanted from Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I'm not getting that. I'm not buying it. I don't need it now. It's just something that I wanted. It's not something that I need. So I'm not gonna get the premium. But the base choices was basically everything I already got. The Cover FX palette. They didn't even have the choice in dark, medium, dark to deep. They had the light one. I already got the Cover FX one. If they've seen that I've been, I already have the Cover FX one. Okay. The other palette, the 0 for 1, I got that the last premium that I ever had. Again, another repeat. Other stuff is repeat. The only thing that's not a repeat is the Alamar Cosmetics bronzer trio. But again, I am deep complexion. That's not going to bronze me. That's going to just, be a finishing powder, and the other one's going to be like an under eye powder, and the other one's going to be a brightener, and I don't need that. I need a contour. If it's going to be contour, if it's going to be bronzing, I need that to happen like that. So the only option that I had was the pharmacy cleanser, and you guys know I have like 3 cleansers. Again, still leaking. I have 3 cleansers already. One I'm using now, so I already have 2 bags of cleansers, so I'm not going to even touch that. So it's basically nothing. And my box is small, as you can see, so it cannot fit an eyeshadow palette in here. That's how small it is. I think there's no eyeshadow palette in here, so that's just making me think that it's about to be a skincare box. And I can't do 2 months of skincare. And the funny thing is that I chose a makeup product, and a lot of people that I saw get this makeup product got a makeup box. So I'm hopeful. Hopefully I do get a makeup box. We just don't know. Boxycharm just hasn't been hitting it for me, and it's just making me want to cancel. But you guys like to see Boxycharm reviews, and I do like to get new stuff. So it's like iffy. It's like either Boxycharm or Ipsy gonna go. That's how I feel. That's how I've been feeling. Like I told you in the beginning of the month, this is the last year of either or. It has to be one or two, but it's been feeling like both. I've been feeling like I don't want to do unboxings. Like that's how stressful Boxycharm is getting because they don't listen to my profile. It's just, and I've done it over and over again. And it's the same thing, and they don't listen to my profile. Anyways, Dare to Dazzle in the theme of Pride Month. That's the theme. I got variation C21, that's 2021, 6, that's June, 70. I got the 70. I got version 70. I just looked in the box, and I already see something that I do not like. Cool. Skincare! This is the True Lotus infused with hyaluronic acid, orchid, flower water, and passion fruit extract. This is a plumping lip and eye serum. I don't think you want the same thing on your lips to be on your eyes, but we're going to find out because, I'm doing this because I might want to, sell it on my Macari. My Macari will be down below if you want to see it. Yeah. I don't need any plumping anything, especially for my lips, and nothing for my eyes. So I'm selling this on my Macari. I think I'm gonna sell it depends. It depends on how much stuff I do not like. I'm just gonna sell a bundle, and if you're interested in what's in the bundle, other extra stuff that I have laying around, not laying around, but like on my Macari, I'm going to be putting it in the bundle. So again, my link will be down below. But not off to a great start. I mean, I love Good Genes. I love Cindy Riley. This is the all-in-one lactic acid treatment, but this is the second time I gotten this from Boxycharm. I got it from Ipsy once. I got it from Boxycharm once, and now I got Boxycharm again. Also, I got it from Allure. I got a little sample in Allure. I already have one that I'm using. I already have one. Again, I already have one that I'm using. I will not be opening this. I mean, I would love to. I'm putting this. I'm going to use it. I'm going to put it in my backups because this is so great for controlling your pores. So great on blurring. It really does. It works before makeup and also as a nighttime routine. This right here, this is the Good Genes Sunday Riley. Oh, I didn't even show you the packaging of the other one in the front. See? But yeah, this is like really, really good. It's high potency, purified grade lactic acid, exfoliates dull, pore clogging, dead skin cells, just like I said. Instant clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. This is a really good thing. So I'm not mad I got it. It's another repeat. What's up with Boxycharm and repeating for me? Like, that's what it is. It's repeats, 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 repeats. I love Brow Bar by Reme. I love Brow Bar by Reme, but this is in light. I am not light. I am deep complexion. They gave me the Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter Pencil in light. I would have liked this in deep dark because they have one in deep dark. I know I looked at the website. They have one in deep dark, unless that was limited edition. It is not there anymore. But again, I looked at it and they have it. I love Brow Bar by Reme. That's my favorite brow product. My brow powder. They don't have the pencil is no go. It's not my color. No, it would look ash. But favorite brow powder. I like Brow Bar by Reme. They have my brow shit. They have my favorite brow gel. It's like, I love their stuff besides their pencil. So I would have liked this if it was in my shade. But obviously, it says light. If you don't see that, it says light. Not in my shade. So another thing on Macari. Again, if you're interested, it will be in the bundle. It's only one product I like so far. You know what? Let me just tell you the prices because I didn't even tell you the prices. You know what? I'm gonna tell you the prices of that because this is gonna hurt my nerves. The thing is that I waited all day to film this. I waited all day for this box, and I get this. They said that it's able to put in the mail. They haven't been able to put it in the mail in like years. It's been bigger. So I'm like, why? Why is it able to be put in the mail? And then if it's able to be put in the mail, that means there's no eyeshadow palette. And then I'm thinking like, skincare box? No. Like, I literally have no makeup on, no eyeshadow, nothing. Because I thought I was going to get a makeup box. Nothing besides mascara and a brows and a little base for the lip product that I have. Cool. This is the Vava Pink Lash Primer Lunar Magic. I don't use lash primer. I'm not gonna hold you. I used to use it. The only one that I really feel that worked was the e.l.f. one because it actually helped my lashes, condition them, and also helped it lengthen, like help the mascara out. I do not want to use this. I do not want to test this out because I will not use it. I have my mascaras that work for me that doesn't need a lash primer. So it will be in the bundle. So three out of the 5 products I will not be using. And it will be in the bundle. 3 out of the 5. Do you understand where I'm coming from? Boxycharm is shit. It's been shit for a while now. I think everybody's saying that it's been shit because they did it with Ipsy. No, it's been shit before that. Sorry for my language if you don't like it, but no. Oh, nars, Dolce Vita. A lot of people got this, and a lot of people got a better box than me, aka PR boxes. I didn't get a PR box. Last month I got a PR box. I was so happy about that. This month is like shit. This is the color. Everybody, you've seen it on lighter complexions. This is what it looks like on a deeper complexion. Yeah, mauve. I got it before. I got it like I think in a 4-play box back then. But yeah, I like to have this with a more brown base and it go over it. It's like a nice velvety matte. That's what it is. It's like a be more darker in tone. But yeah, that's the only makeup in the box. It's the product that I chose. And I put on my thing, makeup heavy box. Makeup heavy box. Makeup heavy box. And before that I had makeup and some skincare. Not all skincare. I mean, yeah, you know, lash primer, not skincare, it's makeup. And then lighter, light whatever makeup. But those are not makeup products that I can use. So actually, I'm only keeping 2 products out of the 5. All right. Let's get into prices now, shall we? The True Lotus Flower Dose Lip and Eye Serum, a supercharged treatment serum and primer for lips and eyes, designed to be used alone or as a nourishing base for makeup, infused with hyaluronic acid and a blend of botanicals including orchard stem cells, rose, and passion fruit extract that help visibly reduce lines and improve elasticity. This is a whopping $34. Don't care. But it's $34 and I can never buy it. Luna Magic Beauty Va-Va-Voom Pink Lash Primer. With just one sweep, this innovative primer mascara glides on to evenly coat and smooth your lashes to maximize the final results of your favorite mascara. It has a natural wax formula with a creamy texture and a new and innovative emulsifier, which adds volume and strength to easy and apply a long-lasting time. Retails for $25. Hold on, someone's calling me. It was my friend from jail. I hanged up on it. And he should get the picture. Like, he knows when I'm filming, I'm gonna just like hang up, or if I'm at work, I'm gonna hang up. So he should know not to call right now. That's all it is. That's all it is. Like, and all he gonna ask is for is commissary. So I understand it's like it's about that time to lock up. It's 8 o'clock. So like, I'm sorry, bro. I don't have it for you. That's just it. All right, now let's get back into this. This is Brow Bar by Reme Brow Lights Camera Action Duo Brow Highlighter. Star in your next bright-eyed moment with this 2-in-1 highlighter featuring a velvety creamy finish, and on the other end, a touch with diamonds. Your new secret weapon for effortlessly brightening your brows and eyes. The world is your stage. This retails for $16. I hope you know my whole thing, my whole bundle is going to be $20. Well, $20 plus shipping or $25 plus shipping. Yo, I'm going to kill him. I don't understand. Like, is commissary that bad? Like, you could go to your other friend, you could go to your sister. Your sister talks to you now. You could go to her. If I'm not answering your phone, it's for a reason. Obviously, but people don't understand. People don't think. People don't have common sense in this world. This video is sugar honey anyways, because this box is sugar honey. So this is a nice high ticket item. I'd rather have the body wash or, you know, the palette than all the other 3s. I mean, plus this, that would be nice, but I would have liked the body wash. That's what I thought. I was getting a body wash. I wasn't getting the body wash. I was getting this. This is Sunday Riley Good Jean Lactic Acid Treatment. This targeted treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural, youthful radiance with visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. This retails for $85. Again, big ticket item. This retails for $85. I'm gonna just yell at him on the phone. Do you want me to yell at him on this video? Because that's how I feel. I don't feel really nice right now. I don't feel really nice because I got a horrible box and I got someone who's annoying me and keep on calling me when I don't want to call. When I keep on ignoring it, I keep on ignoring, right? You see me ignore it, and he just keeps on calling. Why he keep on calling? Why? I don't know. I keep ignoring it, but he keeps on calling. So I'm going to go along. I'm still going to go with this video because I'm doing this video. Anyways, the last product here is NARS Velvet Matte Lip Paint. See, I'm messing up now. NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dolce Vita. This retails for $27. This is this cult favorite lip pencil. Intensely delivers the impact of matte lipstick with the spontaneity of a pencil. This long-lasting, non-drying formula is enriched with vitamin E for a creamy texture that ensures seamless matte color for hours. All right. Everything in this box retails for $187, but you guys know I'm only keeping 2, and that's $112, to be honest. Like, this box is shit. This video is shit. If you want to see better videos, it'll be right here, and right there. That's my head. If you want to subscribe, all my links will be down below in the description box. Don't forget to check the description box. And I'm about to yell at this man. It's okay. Deuces. Love. Whatever. I feel horrible right now. But I look good.